Hi guys, welcome back. So right now I'm making a little slime.
Shelly, where is my purple phone?
In the basket. And anyway, today I'm making slime ice. I'm already almost done with one. So yeah. We're gonna see if it'll work out because I haven't been like videoing lately. And yeah. That's too much, okay. So we're just gonna like take that much out and put it back in. Ew. The slime keeps farting nasty. Anyway, so how have you guys been? I have been wonderful, guys. Like, wonderful. I love myself today. Like, I feel like any other day I would be wonderful and more like myself. But I haven't been myself lately, so yeah. Wonderful. So this is actually taking me a lot longer than I expected.
No, you leave my shoe alone.
So
Do that.
there we go. And this has actually been helping me with my stress lately. So who is it?
I don't know.
Yellow. No, it's Patty. Yeah, I imagine. Hold on a minute, Granddad. You can talk to her.
I don't know why she didn't call the other one.
Hold on a minute, baby, and you can talk to her. Shoot, Mama.
Oh, lady, how come you didn't call the other phone? Mama. She must be in her room. You can't hear. I'll call you back.
She thinks your phone's out. Oh,
No, that. Turn it off.
So I finished one. I'm just gonna do one because
Oh,
it takes
well,
a
hell,
long
I'm gonna
time.
I don't know what all that is either.
And
And
yeah.
it's in inner
And,
passcode. What the fuck does all that mean?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to. Oh, I'll have to take it back to the AT&T when we go to Kerrville. Because we didn't have it where you had to enter password to get onto it, so I don't know.
It's my phone, not Grammy's.
Oh. Here. Here.
Coming.
I thought it was mine, though. I didn't
I
even
did
pay
too.
mine.
So
Tell her I'll call her back.
it's Aunt Jamie.
Oh.
Hello? Yes, ma'am. Oh, hi, Granddad.
Okay. Tell her I'll call her back.
What's up? Hello?
She's in her room and she can't get a reception.
So, I have to reset my phone, guys. I hate it, but yeah. Anyway, I did good on this because
Hello?
It's okay. No, ma'am. She said she'll call you back. Alright. Love you too. Bye.
Well, that dog ate the shoes.
Again? Hey, what a clue with that. No. Don't be hiding your face.
So,
You sure about that?
whew.
Mine won't get charged. Mine won't get charged.
And I like it because like you could just press it and it comes
Is it
out
raining over
instead
there?
of like, yeah. So I'm fixing to put these in or I'm going to put water in them and then I'm going to put them in the freezer. I might put them in the deep freezer.
Yeah,
I don't know. We need popsicles.
check out because you know I told you Jeremy was
Ow.
and I went to
Ow.
Walmart the other day, and if you're tearing up our shoe, won't spank them. And the girl thought I was talking about a router.
So yeah.
She's like, oh, it's over there. So I'm
And
gonna go
anyway,
here, I was gonna call you. And the phone died.
watch. 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Alright.
Do you need her again?
That was me, and I thought
Alright.
I'd keep it all. I thought it was all
Alright.
fine.
Alright, bye.
No, he had to get a different one. I was
She
all-
said she has the key to the store, Grammy.
What?
She said she has the key to the store.
Don't go work shit.
So that is it for today. I'm going to post this on YouTube and I'll be back tomorrow.
I'm still not
I post
cold.
every day. And yeah,
On that long
so
day, Thursday, I'm not all sure to beat up on
tomorrow I'm
it.
gonna make little pickle
Not
pops.
much,
Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, like for part 2 on the slime, guys.
It didn't rain today.
So yeah, bye.
It rained